Today, I'll show you how easy it is to create a beautiful, atmospheric relaxation video that you can upload to YouTube without any copyright issues. The content will be completely original and suitable for monetization. The main thing, you don't need to spend tons of time and effort. Just 10 minutes a day and you already have a ready video that can bring views, subscribers, and income. While others scroll through social media feeds, you can already start making money by creating your YouTube content with the help of AI. In this task, ChatGPT will help us. It will suggest what and how to do it best. We open ChatGPT and type, "Hi, I want to create a relaxation video for YouTube. Please write a prompt for the Suno Music Neural Network, no longer than 200 characters, to get relaxing instrumental music." In just a few seconds, we get a ready prompt. Why exactly 200 characters? It's simple. The generation window in Suno accepts text no longer than this limit. We copy it and move on. It's as simple as that. Let's prepare the materials for uploading the video to YouTube. I immediately ask ChatGPT, "Great, now please write 3 clickbait titles, each up to 100 characters, a video description up to 500 characters, 20 to 30 tags, and 4 unique hashtags for this relaxation video." ChatGPT greatly simplifies our task. No need to come up with titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags ourselves. It generates everything literally within a couple of seconds. And now I already have a full set for the video's metadata. If something doesn't suit you, at any stage you can make edits and adjust everything until the result fits you 100%. And when everything is ready, we move on to the next step. Now we move on to creating the music. For this, we will use Suno AI, a powerful music neural network that generates high quality and atmospheric music in just a few seconds. And the best part, it's all copyright free. We go to the website suno.com, register, or log in if you already have an account. After registration, we immediately get 50 free credits, and conveniently, they renew every day. This is enough to create up to 10 tracks daily. We copy the prompt previously generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the generation field. Be sure to toggle on instrumental to get only music, no vocals. We press the generate button and wait while Suno creates all 10 tracks. After a while, we download all the ready tracks to the computer. It's simple and fast. Now let's move on to the visuals. We go to the Pixabay website, a large free platform with tens of thousands of videos, photos, and illustrations that you can freely use even in commercial projects. It's easy to find footage for any theme here, including relaxation videos. We log in or register. It's all free. Next, we go to the videos section, and in the search bar, we type relax. After that, we open the filters, click on resolution, and select 4K to get the highest quality videos for our project. We find beautiful shots, waterfalls, forest, tea in a cup, fire in a fireplace, everything that creates an atmosphere of peace and relaxation. We click on the video, press download, and choose 4K resolution. Since we already have the music and video, let's move on to editing. We go to the CapCut website. It's a convenient program that works great for both beginners and those who have experience with editing. The interface is user-friendly and there are enough features to create a beautiful video. We download the installer, install, and launch the program. We create a new project and upload our video footage along with all 10 tracks we made using Suno. Now we duplicate the video file enough times so that its length matches the total duration of all the music. Don't worry, this won't affect the video quality. Everything will stay clear and beautiful. We select our video sequence, go to the animation section, and add effects. At the beginning, a fade out effect lasting 3 seconds. At the end, a fade in effect lasting 3 seconds. These simple transitions make the start and finish of the video smoother and more pleasant for the viewer. Also, if you want, you can add any other effects. It all depends on your taste and idea. If needed, you can manually adjust parameters like saturation, contrast, brightness, and sharpness to make the image even more attractive and atmospheric. Once the project is fully ready, we move on to export. In the export window, we set the following parameters: video title, the one prepared earlier by ChatGPT, save path, where the final video will be exported, resolution set to 4K, bitrate choose higher, codec HEVC, format MP4, frame rate 60 FPS for smooth playback. Click the export button and just wait while the video is rendered. After a couple of minutes, it's done. Now let's take a look at the result. A high-quality, relaxing video that's ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Now the final step, upload the finished video to YouTube. Paste everything that ChatGPT generated for us in advance: title, description, tags, and hashtags. Just a few clicks and your relaxing video is already live on your channel. It's completely copyright-free and fully ready for monetization. Now all that's left is to watch it start gaining views and bringing in revenue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with your friends. It really helps support the project. And make sure to check out the next part, where I'll show you a second method for creating relaxing content entirely with AI. It's going to be interesting. See you soon.